What's up? I'm Dominic, one of the baristas at Metric Coffee. I'm going to show you today how I make a V60. We got our filter. This is what a V60 filter looks like. We're going to do what we call a mountain fold. You're going to take this section with the ribbing. You're going to fold it over. Looks like a mountain. Then you're going to open it up. And then fold across from that so that it opens up like a cone. Then big first step is you want to clean the filter, and how you do that is you're going to pour water down the sides. You want to get a good amount of water going because there's a lot of little pieces of paper from the filter making process, and also you want to heat up this whole vessel. So once it's poured through, just get rid of your water. Cool, so we got a clean filter, we got a hot vessel. I have a coffee from Honduras today. Where you want a pretty coarse grind. So you want to do a flat bed of coffee. You're going to make sure that's nice and flat. We're going to poke a little hole in the center. That's just going to encourage the water to stay in the center while you're pouring. And then we got the bloom time. Bloom is very important. If you don't bloom, the rest of your coffee is not going to go well. And basically what you're doing is you're adding a burst of hot water, and it's going to pull all the gases, because when coffee is roasted, it's putting off gases for about 2 to 3 weeks. And that's a good thing. That means it's fresh. That means that it was roasted well. But you want to get that gas out of the way, because if you don't, the gases are continually pushing out, so you'll never get a good extraction. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to do a pretty large bloom, about 100 grams in, and we're just going to let it soak. So I'm going to start now. So 100 grams, as you can see, tons of gas popping up. That's a great thing. It means your coffee is fresh. Just allow that to happen. Don't play with it too much. But then when we hit 30 seconds, we're going to do a little bit more water. This time we're going to do 50 grams. All right, we're going to get to about a minute, and then we're going to start doing our actual fill. We're going to split the fill into halves. I'm going to fill to about 300 now. You want to aim for the center. Don't go too far off the sides, because a lot of that water will just shoot through and not actually spend time with the coffee grounds, which will make just a watery coffee under extracted. Cool, we're at 300. And now that my bed's dropped about an inch, I'm going to go ahead and fill it again to 440, which is going to be our end weight. It's about a 1:17 ratio, coffee to water. All right, and right towards the end, we're going to do a big circle around the end. And a little trick, take your cone, do a little swirl, and there's the tiniest tap. That's going to bring all the coffee to the bottom. It's going to make sure that everything evenly extracts too. And then we're done. And if you want to check out this bed, you want a nice flat bed. And that means that everything went through evenly. All right, then you got your coffee. Sit on the couch, chill, watch some cartoons. Cheers.